Now, this is a problem that appeared in GATE 2024 for 1 mark. It's a multiple choice question. And you will have to find one of these options are correct. So the question reads like this. Let I and j be the unit vectors along x and y axis, respectively, and let a be a positive constant. Which one of the following statements is true for the vector fields F1 equal to a times yi cap plus xj cap and F2 equal to a times yi cap minus xj cap? There are 4 options given. Both F1 and F2 are electrostatic fields. Only F1 is electrostatic field. Only F2 is an electrostatic field. Neither F1 nor F2 is an electrostatic field. Now, how do you find out whether a field that is given is electrostatic or not? If a field is electrostatic, then curl of that field will be 0. That is, del cross F should be 0 for an electrostatic field. Now what is del cross F? So del cross F1 as given in the problem is I cap, j cap, k cap. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z. And here you have the x component for F1 is a y component is ax, z component is 0. So if we evaluate this, you will get I times dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of ax minus j times dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of ay plus k times dou by dou x of ax minus dou by dou y of ay. Now, dou by dou z of ax has no function of z. So if you differentiate it, it would be 0. So I cap times 0. Similarly, ay has no component of z. So if you differentiate with respect to z, that also becomes 0. So minus j cap into 0. Now dou by dou x of ax is a is a constant. So if you differentiate it, you'll get a. Dou by dou y of ay is again a. So a minus a is 0. So k times a minus a. So del cross F1 is equal to 0. That means F1 is an electrostatic field. Now let us see what is F2, del cross F2. Again, you write rho by, sorry, I cap, j cap, p cap, rho by dou x, rho by dou y, rho by dou z. So what is it? F2 x component is ay and y component is minus ax. This is ay and this is minus ax, and there is no z component, so that is 0. So it is I cap times dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of minus ax, and minus j cap times dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of ay plus a cap times dou by dou x of minus ax minus dou by dou y of ay. Again, if you see here, I component has dou by dou z of minus ax, that is 0 because this is not a function of z. And dou by dou z of ay is again 0 because it's not a function of z. Only the k component is there. Dou by dou x of minus ax is minus a. Dou by dou y of ay is a. So you get minus a minus a, it is minus 2a. So it is not 0. So del cross F2 is not 0. Del cross F2 is minus 2a times k. So it is not 0. So F2 is not an electrostatic field. So the option is only F1 is an electrostatic field and F2 is not an electrostatic. So option is B, that is F1 is an electrostatic field. Thank you. God bless you.